Hey James, here's the revisions for the Scriven project. Okay, so basically the entry stayed the same. When you look into the entry, there's going to be a wall here and a wall here, but those are going to be high. There's going to be a space below them, and I don't know, they could decorate on this or whatever, I don't care, but this is the most economical version of this roof. This roof right here, these trusses can be removed, and this can get taller if we want to put more glass in this area. But this area, I think right here, I'd recommend keeping the roof as it is. So I've kind of designed a truss for here, whatever the engineer comes up with. We might have to do either, I don't know, several plies of trusses here to make a beam truss, or do just a nice big beam across here, and then cripple slash balloon frame a wall across here, and then that frames right into the parapet roof. And okay, all this is 2 and 12 pitch. I'm going to turn on the roof sheeting and you can see what that'll look like. So 2 and 12, all of this, but I actually did make this a pitched gable roof right here. We could put a cricket right here and collect the water at one point. That's not very much water to move, and I don't think that'll be a problem. We could also put a cricket here and drain on top of this roof, and then we would maintain some sense of architectural appeal. I think the round roof is good. If we make everything all the same height and everything, I think it just won't look good. This gives us options to break up the front in an architectural way, and it's not going to increase the cost. We can look into the gutter system and what that's going to take and what kind of maintenance and how much flashing we need to do in these areas. Yeah, so all the water runs to the back. This will have a little wall framed right under it, but all this will valley right here. So I would say 90% of the water is all coming off the back, and the elevation here. Like I said, if we put some glass up high here, that would be good. All this is still pretty much in keeping with the original design with the trellis here. Kept our windows, and now I also, let's go inside here. Here's the truss system. This truss is structural actually, and it's carrying a TGI roof on top of it. And yeah, all this just balloon frames right here, and that's the end of the manufactured trusses. And then these right here, we would need our engineer to design. They'd have to be a kind of a beam truss, and they would keep it open to those windows. We could do a similar thing right here if we want to open this up so that they get the windows going all the way up. We just basically open that up and what do you call it? Ladder frame across here, basically, or run our joists this way. I think we call that ladder framing. But yeah, so a cricket there and a cricket here. Get the water onto this round roof, and we'll pay for the nice roof right there. And this shouldn't trap water. This will work. That's a 7 and 12 pitch, I believe. And timber frame. All right, let me know if you have questions.